Welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up two-factor authentication on your LinkedIn account. So let's get started. What you need to do is open your LinkedIn account. Alright, this is it. So when you open your LinkedIn account, the next step is click on this profile picture here, click on it, and the next thing is you're going to see settings here. Click on your settings and you wait for it to go to your settings. Then let's wait for it to load. And the next step is click on your sign in and security, and you're going to see two-step verification here. Click on it. Now click on setup. Now they've sent a code to your email. Go to your email to go and get the code. Okay, let's get the code sent from LinkedIn. Alright, this is it, and I'm going to copy the link now, the code. Copy the code, then go back to your LinkedIn. You're going to paste the code there. Paste it and click on submit. Okay, you can see that you have to make sure you put the code there very fast, very fast. That's what you need to do. So once you put it there, you're going to click on submit, and automatically you'll be able to select your two-step verification on your LinkedIn account. It's very simple. So guys, if you find this video helpful, click the like button, share, and drop a comment and subscribe. Thank you guys.